what's up? Jay Mizzy here, Jay Mitchell here, whatever you want to call me, same thing. I'm just up in the morning. I'm up early. See, I'm up early before everyone else. This is how you gotta do it, man. I'm up, I got ideas, man. I feel fucking pumped, bruv. Fuck, I hate her. Just making some breakfast. Get me warming up my food. Man's hungry, gotta eat before the grind. But today I just want to make a video about not giving up. Don't give up on your goals, on your dreams because of other people. Yeah, fuck that shit. Get that attitude all the way out of your head, right? Get that out of your system. Yeah. Like, if you come to think about it, most people, they don't see success because they give up right at the point where something could have happened as well. They never knew what was on the other side of that coin, other side of the fence, and they fucking gave up. You can't do that. You can't give up. You don't know. They always say that the minute you actually feel like giving up, or you actually did give up, is the point where you could have actually seen the biggest results you've ever been looking for. That could have been the blessing right at the end of that road, the end of the tunnel where you are about to give up. Just like the photo, right, of the two men with diamonds. They're digging at the walls and one gives up and the other one didn't give up. And then on the other side of the wall, the guy got the diamonds, but the one that gave up, he was closer than the guy. But he consisted and kept going. You hear what I'm saying? So there's going to be other people scratching at the wall to get the diamonds, and they're going to give up. Yeah, but if you don't give up, you never know how close you are. You're going to keep scratching and scratching and scratching. You're dropping music, you're dropping your book, you're dropping clothing, clothes after clothes, you're dropping this idea, you're dropping this podcast, and then, you know what I mean, one thing pops off, yeah, but you're never gonna see that one thing pop up if you give up. You know what I'm saying? So keep scratching, keep digging that wall, keep digging the tunnel until you find your diamonds, bruv. You never know how close you are, and don't listen to what the fuck people have to say as well, because they don't want to see you win, and they don't want to see you actually striving for something that's worth more than them, and that's better than anything they've ever thought of, because a lot of these people are mediocre, and a lot of people are too comfortable being normal, and they don't want to see you being exceptional. They don't want to see you being great at doing something. They don't want to see you full of joy. You know what I'm saying? People are jealous of the little things you have. Believe it or not, they might not tell you, but me, I can sense the energy and I can feel it, bruv. That's why a lot of people, they don't like your posts. They don't really support what you're doing, but then they'll shake your hands. Yeah, be careful of the company you keep pushing. Don't give up, because me, I ain't fucking giving up for nobody. I don't care how close you are to me. But that's my motivation video today. Stay blessed. I'm out.